Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Neha Limani and I achieved an AIR of 4639 in NEET PG 2024 examination. After which I decided to pursue DNB medicine in Mumbai. And regarding that, lately many of you were asking me on my social media about why did I choose DNB medicine in Mumbai over MD in some other place or in some other branch. So I thought to make a video and share my POV on the same with you all. To begin with, one thing that I was always sure about that medicine is my dream branch. Okay, there was no question in that. No, I was so damn sure. So when the results were announced, I was kind of happy. I was delighted that okay, medicine seems to be within the reach. And then I started exploring my options about where all in India, at which places, at which colleges is medicine possible at my rank. I used an online software for it. Eventually, I realized that it is going to be MD in a peripheral college in some three-tier city or place versus DNB in Mumbai, which is my hometown, or in some other good city like Pune, vagera. So, one more thing which was out of question, that is changing the branch. I feel that changing your branch for the sake of getting an MD degree in some good college or in some good place is a compromise, and I never wanted to do that. I will advise the same to you as well. Never, never, never compromise or never keep anything else above your branch, because your branch stays with you for life. Your college is a matter of 3 years. The place will is also a matter of 3 years. Everything is for temporary, but your branch will stay with you, and a compromise now will make you regret later. So never do that. Okay, so after realizing that, I was saying, I did some more research. I talked to my seniors. I talked to the residents working at a in a MD college, in a medical college for MD in a peripheral place, and also residents working in DNB hospitals. I discussed everything with them, and the differentiating points that I found out about MD versus DNB for medicine were as follows. So, firstly, as we all know, MD is done at a medical college, whether government or private. Then DNB is done at a private, aided, or charitable hospital. Toxicity. So, almost every medical college, almost every MD has some amount of toxicity, whereas there's almost no toxicity in DNB. MD, I had to go away from my home for MD. DNB, I could do close to my family. Then super specialty exposure is a main point. So for MD at a peripheral or third tier place, there's a little less super specialty exposure because of the lack of resources, as the good cases which are worthy to learn get referred to higher centers, whereas DNB in a good city like Mumbai or Pune gives you a more super specialty exposure. The second year of residency is dedicated to super specialty rotational postings in DNB in most of the hospitals. So that's a point. Secondly, a major disadvantage of MD over DNB is that MD has a bond. Okay, it could be minimum of 1 year to maximum of 10 year in some states, but bond is there, whereas there is almost no bond in DNB. Only in a few colleges or hospitals like ESI hospitals or some of the government colleges which still has a DNB, like one in Akola, there can be some bond or anything, but mostly otherwise at other places there's no bond in DNB. Also, MD is quite easy to qualify because you are acquainted to your professors, to the examiners, to the place of examination, etc. Whereas DNB takes serious efforts to qualify because you are not familiar with the examiners or the place at all. Okay, one more thing about MD over DNB. If sometime in future you want to pursue or you may go for professorship in a medical college, then MD can be a good option for you, because After MD, you directly become eligible for that. Whereas with DNB, you have to do some extra years of SRship or lecturership to become eligible to become a professor. And also, still in some places, MD is preferred over a DNB for the post of a professor. However, I never thought of myself as a professor, so that was not a point for me. Rest of the thing, yeah, stipend is more or less the same in MD and DNB in the same state as per NMC guidelines. There's no discrimination between an MD and a DNB in private practice, in private hospitals or private consultancy. And yeah, so basically, MD is equivalent to, or DNB is equivalent to MD. Also, many MDs, some at some later point of time, they do qualify DNB as well, because I feel that qualifying a nationally or a national level exam is like getting an ISI mark for your degree. Also, if you plan to go overseas in sometime in future for some course or for some fellowship, I think DNB gives you an upper hand. So yeah, DNB and MD are absolutely equivalent. Both the degrees are equally recognized by NMC. So there's no discrimination at all, except in people's perception. I think that is also because few years earlier, DNB was not through NEET PG examination. It was through a separate CET, but things have changed now. Also, previously, DNB was a bit more difficult to qualify, but that is also, the passing percentage is also improving eventually. So, yeah, things are changing, things are improving, getting better year by year, and I see more people inclining towards DNB. So, after everything said and done, for me, my top two priorities were no toxicity, or almost as low toxicity as possible, because I did not want to crib for 3 years. Like, when will my guest residency will get over? When will I get done with it? I wanted to enjoy my residency as much as possible and learn with joy. So that was one thing. And secondly, I wanted to be as close to my family as possible. Because why not? Also, my parents deserve my time, and I, after all the NEET PG and everything, struggle and everything, I deserve to be with my parents too. So if I had the privilege to make a choice and not to settle with whatever I get, I did make a choice of staying close to my parents. Yeah, because of these two main reasons, I decided to take DNB medicine in Mumbai. Also, I might settle down in Mumbai itself in future, so doing it from the same place is a good option. And yeah, in the end, I think in the end, if you are a good clinician and you have good skills and knowledge, you will flourish anyhow in your own space. So yeah, because of all this, I decided to go with DNB medicine in Mumbai rather than an MD. And I will, in the end, I'll suggest the same thing to everyone, that always and always keep your branch above everything else. So yeah, with this, I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep the Instagram and Telegram link in the description. Feel free to connect. I'll try to make more helpful videos for you all. And my next video will probably be on how to decide on a DNB institute for your branch and at your rank. So till then, bye bye, take care and choose wisely.